How does Koko ask to join a game?
Good morning, Koko. You look like you have a big story to tell me today.
Good morning, Owlo. I saw some kids playing a fun bouncy ball game outside.
That sounds exciting. Did you go over and play with them?
No, I just stood there and watched. I really wanted to play too.
What stopped you from joining in, my curious little fox?
I did not know what words to say to them. How do I ask to join a game, Owlo?
That is such an important question, Koko. Let us figure it out together, step by step. First, you watch for a little bit so you understand how the game works.
Okay, I can do that. I already know their game uses a big red ball.
Wonderful noticing. Next, you wait for a small pause, like between turns.
Oh, so I do not just run in the middle of everything, right?
Exactly right. Then you use simple, friendly words like, "May I play too?"
May I play too? That feels easy enough for me to say.
It really is. A big smile and a friendly voice make it even better.
Can we practice, Owlo? You can pretend to be a kid at the park.
Wonderful idea. I will bounce this pretend ball and you ask me. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Look at me, having so much fun with my ball.
Excuse me, that looks like so much fun. May I please play too?
Of course you can. Come join our game right now, Koko.
That was easy. But Owlo, what if someone says no instead of yes?
That is a fair thing to wonder about, Koko. Sometimes friends say, "Not right now." That is okay too. It does not mean they do not like you.
So I could just try another game, or maybe ask again later?
Exactly. You could also invite them to play your favorite game with you.
I like that. Sharing games both ways sounds like being a good friend.
You understand it perfectly. Now, let us go practice in the real garden. Here we are in the garden. Look, some children are playing with a hoop.
I watched them for a bit, and now there is a small pause.
Perfect timing. Remember your friendly words and your big, warm smile.
Hello there. That hoop game looks really fun. May I please play too?
Wonderful asking, Koko. I am so proud of you for trying that. Now, before we head back inside, can you tell me what you learned today?
I learned that first I watch the game, then wait for a little pause. Then I ask nicely, like, "May I play too?" with a big smile. And if someone says no, that is okay. I can just try again later.
That is a fantastic summary, Koko. You are going to make so many new friends.
Maybe next time we can learn how to share toys with our friends too.
I would love that, Koko. Let us explore sharing together very soon. If you had fun today, ask a grown-up to get the free AskOwlo app for more stories. And don't forget to subscribe so we can make even more.